Hi everyone! Welcome to my live stream. Hello mga pangga. Kiss kiss everyone. Kiss kiss everyone. Hello, welcome to my live stream. Thank you so much for coming back. Even though I'm tired, I need to live now. Yan. Thank you so much for the coming back. Mega love shout out to 17 viewers. Hello, good evening. And good evening to the 17 viewers. So our live is blurred because of maybe, I don't know, maybe that is for the connection. Please comment down to the 13 viewers. Hello, good evening. Welcome to my live stream. Mega love shout out to all viewers. Welcome mga pangga. Hello, good evening everyone. To my 12 viewers, hello, good evening. Ayan, I did not live today because I have much to do. And tomorrow, I need to fix the stone downstairs. So, it's very hard to fix the house, mga loves. So, ayan. Thank you so much for the 8 viewers. Hello, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Make love shout out to my 8 viewers. Hello, good evening. Thank you so much, mga pangga, for coming back. Hello.